Scikit-learn classifier with custom scorer dependent on a training feature. I am trying to train a random forest classifier with a custom scorer whose output needs to be dependent on one of the features. The X dataset contains 18 features. The Y is the usual array of zeros and ones. The random forest classifier with custom scorer is used within a grid search CV instance. Grid search CV, classifier, param_grid set smiley scoring equals custom_scorer. Custom scorer is defined via Scikit-learn function make_scorer. Custom_scorer equals make_scorer, custom_scorer function, grade is beta equals true. This framework is very straightforward if the custom_scorer function is dependent only on y_true and y_pred. However, in my case I need to define a scorer which makes use of one of the 18 features contained in the X dataset, i.e. depending on the values of y_pred and y_true, the custom score will be a combination of them and the feature. My question is, how can I pass the feature into the custom_scorer function given that its standard signature accepts y_true and y_pred? I am aware it accepts extra ***quargs, but passing the entire feature array in this way doesn't solve the problem, as this function is invoked for each couple of y_true and y_pred values would need to extract the individual feature value corresponding to them to make this working, which I am not sure can be done. I have tried to augment the y_true array, packing that feature into it and unpacking it within the custom_scorer function. First column are the actual labels, second columns are the feature values I need to calculate the custom scores. However, doing so violates the requirements of the classifier of having a 1D labels array and triggers the following error. Value error, unknown label type, continuous multi-output. Any help is much appreciated. Thank you.
You can do something like this. Note you have given no real code, so this is bare bones.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.